Hello and welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a pre-owned 2015 Dodge Ram 1500 Eco Diesel Crew Cab 4x4 in white. Some of the features included in your new pre-owned Dodge Ram 1500 are automatic windows, heated power adjustable side mirrors, automatic headlights with fog lights and area lighting, Bluetooth ready, cruise control, AM, FM and Sirius XM radio, AC, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 4x4, cloth interior, front and rear bench seats, power sliding rear window, bed liner, and enough space to comfortably seat 6 with room for storage. So don't miss out on your new pre-owned Dodge Ram 1500. Hurry in to Davis Chevrolet and book a test drive with one of our knowledgeable product specialists today.